Introducing the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC Desktop, a high-performance powerhouse that offers seamless gaming and multimedia experience. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor clocking at 3.8 GHz with turbo boost up to 5.3 GHz, this system is built to handle even the most demanding applications. This desktop is equipped with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 8GB GDDR6 graphics card, delivering stunning visuals and smooth frame rates for a wide range of tasks, from gaming to multimedia editing. Whether you're watching 4K content or running graphic-intensive software, this GPU ensures crisp performance. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz, you'll experience fast multitasking and smooth gameplay without lag. The 1TB SSD ensures that your files load instantly, making traditional hard drives a thing of the past. Plus, its 650W Gold PSU guarantees efficient power delivery, keeping your system running smoothly. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, providing the latest features and updates, and with no bloatware, you can enjoy a clean, fast system right out of the box. The high-performance air cooler and RGB fans provide excellent airflow, ensuring your system stays cool even during long gaming sessions. Skytech has also included a gaming keyboard and mouse to complete your setup, so you're ready to dive into action immediately. Plus, with the Skytech Shadow case featuring a sleek tempered glass design, it not only performs well but also looks great in any gaming or home office setup. This PC is assembled in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime free technical support. Whether you're tackling intense gaming or handling everyday computing tasks, the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC Desktop provides reliable, top-tier performance. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This is a great option for gamers and professionals looking for a machine that delivers on all fronts, from power to design and support.